to this gorgeous Midtown home that has been fully renovated from head to toe. This home features 3 lovely bedrooms, a gorgeous bathroom, a kitchen that's an absolute dream, and it's the perfect blend of modern comforts with that great Tulsa charm that we all love. This is Brooke, my preferred lender, and she is here to make all of your buying process as easy and stress-free as possible.
Hi, I'm Brooke, and I would love to help you find all of the perfect financing options available to make this beautiful home yours. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or just looking for something new in the market, we'll have the perfect plan for you.
Awesome. You want to take a peek at what I'm putting on the market?
Sure.
All right, let's go take a tour. I would love to give you a private tour of this gorgeous home. Call me and schedule it today, or you can call Brooke. I will leave her numbers below. And remember, you're going to love coming home.